I'm Aubrey Woodbridge. I'm the product manager for RUWAG. RUWAG started 25 years ago. It's a family-owned business and currently employs 250 people. We serve the needs of the hardware retail market with power tool accessories, fixing, hand tools and irrigation products. Anything from do-it-yourself, the DIY market, up to professionals. We first became aware of the Oki printer at a trade show where we saw it demonstrated, and we saw that it would be the solution to all the problems we were currently having.
My name is Sean Bezuidenhout. I am the General Manager for a company called NSI LABEL. NSI LABEL is a medium-sized import and service provider operating within the packaging industry. We specialize in digital on-demand solutions for small to medium production of self-adhesive labels, in-mold labels, film and other packaging. We are supported with an extensive network of resale and support partners stretching nationally throughout most African countries. NSI LABEL provides an enhanced level of information transparency to the end user, as well as high-end installation training superior to our competitors. Backup service and support services are always available in case of emergency to get things back up and running. These benefits have given RUWAG's production department confidence to take on any market demand. This really makes us different as a partner. We understand that many of our customers are not printers. I like to believe that we simplify the process to help any level customer. We met RUWAG in 2018 at an exhibition where we were showcasing the prototype for the Oki Pro 1050. At first, Aubrey and his team had a couple of concerns regarding the price. The label printer was significantly higher priced than what they had already had installed, but were frustrated with. After sitting down with the customer and really going through all the costings and explaining how the costings are working within the Oki label cost calculator, it was very clear to see that over the long term, his savings would be speaking for themselves. They were very eager to become one of our very first installations in South Africa.
My name is Mpho Mulaudzi. I've been working for NSI for more than 7 years now as a technical manager. In 2019, I was sent to Dubai, head offices of Oki, to do a thorough training on installation, disassembling of the machine, understanding the in and outside of the Oki Printer Pro machines. The latest Oki that we installed was in April 2021, and since it was a similar printer as the previous printer that they always had, it was just a matter of plug and play. We at NSI, when we do our training, we don't just do training like any other people who are doing training. The easiest way for us to avoid downtime, we also do extended knowledge on the machine. If the machine goes down at any time during our absence, the client himself, they can troubleshoot the machines there and there up until we are on site to help them further.
When we initially spec'd the printer, we were forecasting 1.5 million labels per year, and we've currently scaled to 3 million. For us, the main advantage has been the ease of use, simplicity, easy to maintain, and the wide range of applications. We've used it for many applications we didn't even foresee when we bought it initially. Moving over to the Oki, we've experienced a big saving not only in the consumables, but compared to our previous printer, the Oki is also much easier to maintain. We don't need specialized users. Our production has increased because of the reduced downtime and maintenance and cleaning that our previous system required. We have a lot fewer rejections, so our wastage isn't as much. We also have to keep a lot fewer variations of the stock. We can print all our variations on 5 different labels.
My family has been in the digital printing game since 1998. We started our journey with Oki back in 2008. In the year 2000, I joined the company and was immediately hooked by the dynamics of print, how the print interacted with customers, how the use of color affected the brand ability to communicate the use of their product to the end user. The Oki brand is definitely seen as a trusted supplier. They've been around manufacturing desktop printers for a very, very long time. Recently, since 2008, they've started to expand their horizon into new printing areas like digital packaging. Very successful, and the use of the white color within their product lineup is very unique for this part of the market.
Our products are categorized by application, so whether they're for wood, metal, masonry, ceramics. We've got about 4,000 different part numbers that all need customized labels. Yeah, so the main problem is to make the products attractive, informative and navigable on the shelves. So we like to have them stand out from each other and make it easy to find what they're looking for.
We recommended the Oki Pro 10 because of its print quality and because it's award-winning technology. Also our history with the development of this particular printer. We understand and we can see the demand trend for this section of the market, and definitely Oki has learned a lot from their development partners and have integrated that within this new model.
The color reproduction is very accurate and consistent, and we also vary between very short runs and big volume runs, and the Oki can accommodate both of those. So the flexibility the Oki has given us is to be able to put product-specific information on the packaging instead of just generic information that might not be applicable to what is in that specific package.
Our company prides itself on service. We don't just see a customer as a customer, we see him as part of our family, so we understand that they're not printers by nature. They are tool manufacturers, they're bakers, they're food and beverage companies. So for us to keep them in their core business is key to the longevity of their business. RUWAG has seen significant growth over the last 3 years. We feel these growths are as a result of having that additional stability and print quality and on-demand delivery system within the packaging environment that has allowed them to take on any size order from their own customers. We see a tremendous future with RUWAG due to the scalability offered by the Pro 10, 1040 and 1050 platform.